See, this is the PPT of paper title Technology of Indigenous Dairy Products Unit First. Unit First contain the sub content classification of milk products, and as you know, the previous PPTs containing these types, the classification of milk is according to their preparation method or manufacturing method, and which is widely popular in all over India of different corners of the states. So these are the 5 categories. But uh, some of the students or many of the students from your college, school, your class, uh, they are unknown about the indigenous dairy products. So let me share the information of indigenous dairy products. Indian indigenous milk products have different nomenclature in various regions because of the variation in the ingredients added and the method of manufacturing involved. For better understanding of the nature of the products can be continuously classified into a 9 major categories. जे 9 major category मध्ये यांना डिस्ट्रीब्यूट केलेलं आहे. पण त्याच्यापैकी मी इथे 5 categories ज्या घेतलेल्या आहेत त्या इम्पॉर्टंट आहे इन द पॉइंट ऑफ examination point of view. So the other 4 are rest are not included in this PPT, and these 4 are miscellaneous and refreshing beverages like cake, colostrum based products, lassi, chas, kadi, raita, and dahi vada. These all are the products comes under the miscellaneous and refreshing beverages instead of these 4. So total these 5 plus other 4s are total 9 categories comes under the classification of dairy products. So yes, previous class these 2 types have been studied, but some of the students I have absent. So now just overlook this PPT. See, the milk is the main source of classification of any type of dairy products, and the milk is classified into 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, and 5 categories. So first and second already seen in previous class. See, the first category is heat and acid coagulated dairy product. It means milk is heated and added organic acids like whey, lactic acid, and or citric acid. Citric acid is either in liquid form or powder form. So to get the two main products, one is channa and another is paneer. Channa is the best product of paneer. Whenever the channa is prepared, it is used for the paneer. It is very popular for culinary dishes. Restaurant or hotels are very preferred for this manufacturing of or preparation of various paneer based dishes. But the channa is used after using of the paneer, the excess channa used to convert these 6 type of products. And channa is very popular in West Bengal. To see that these are the 6 popular products were prepared in the West Bengal. Other also prepared, but I have include here only 6. I want to just click on the channa and overlook in very few moments, not taking much more time, just overview, and it is connected to the net just to get the general information. This information this information is also details study in your syllabus. How? So see the uh, okay, see the channa is the product obtained from the cow milk, buffalo milk, or goat milk, or sheep milk, or combination thereof by adding any organic acids, citric acid, lactic acid, or whey at high temperature, and subsequent mass is obtained after drainage of whey. This mass of curd is called as channa. It is whitish or yellowish in color, and this is the composition of cow milk channa and buffalo milk channa. If the cow milk is used for the preparation of channa, this is the composition. If the buffalo milk is used for preparation of channa, this is the different composition, as like it is compared than the cow milk. if I want to click on the paneer product, so you get the paneer in related information. But in this PPT and in this classification of dairy products, you not need to take much more details, because you just simply you can draw the flowchart in examination. You take the milk and you split up into 5 categories, and all 5 categories you have to just write their examples. So you can get the out of mark or maximum mark for this question. If the question is asked, describe the classification of dairy products, you can draw the flowchart and example, give the example of each categories, and you get the 8 or 7 mark questions. So now now get the next slide. The next slide contain fat-rich dairy products. This is the second category of the milk. And fat-rich dairy product containing 3 main products: cream, butter, and ghee. This is the chain, because the ghee is obtained from the makhan and makhan is obtained from cream. So how can you define this product? These all are comes under fat-rich dairy products. So I will define here. Cream is the product obtained from cow milk, buffalo milk, or combination thereof. Uh, by the separation of centrifugal force, or by applying the centrifugal force, and to get the cream which is contain not less than 25% fat. Cream means just fat globules, only fat globules, not nothing. दुधावरची जी साय आहे ती म्हणजे cream, but here the cream is separated by applying the force. It is known as centrifugal force. There are various types of cream: table cream, light cream, coffee cream, heavy cream, whipping cream, and plastic creams. Other except the plastic creams, other containing the less fat than the plastic cream. Plastic cream containing 85%, which is high fat cream, and others are the medium and low fat cream. Plastic cream is used for the preparation of high fat product, ice cream and butter. So this type of cream is directly sent to the industries, which is manufacturing industries, those who are prepared butter or ghee or butter oil. You can just draw this sketch, draw the flow chart, and you just you not need to explain any product in examination. You just give the example of the relevant categories. So now see the next slide. Next slide containing heat desiccated dairy products. These dairy products contain 4 main products. What are the main products? Rabri, kheer, basundi, and khawa. So I hope have you heard, and everyone is know about the khawa, basundi, kheer, and rabri. But here rabri, I think rabri is the new product for the students. So rabri is the rabri is the nothing too different of milk. It is the just clotted several layers of cream. When the milk is kept on the when the milk is heated at constant temperature, the formation of layer is upward direction, and the cream is removed after a few minutes. So this process continue again and again until the cream formation is stopped. Finally, you get the fatless milk. Fatless milk is called as skim milk. After that, whenever the cream is separated in a separate bowl, you can add it into the milk and add sugar at the rate of 5 to 7% as per the requirement of preparation of rabri. So you get this product. Kheer is also prepared at household level by using the rice and milk. Basundi is the concentrated heat desiccated dairy product, which is if you can take the milk 1 liter and is altered 1/4 जे 1 लिटर मिल्क घेतलं ना 250 ml पर्यंत त्याला आणलं की यू कॅन गेट दी बासुंदी. इट इज कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड हिट डेअरी डेसिकेटेड डेअरी प्रोडक्ट्स. देन आफ्टर दॅट यू कॅन ऍड दी sugar at the rate of 5 to 7% of initial quantity of milk. Now see the last heat desiccated dairy products, and which is most popular all over the country of different regions. Khawa, and khawa is or mawa is also named. This product is used for the preparation of barfi, peda, gulab jamun, kalakan. These are the common products which is prepared from the khawa. And see the details of khawa. I just click on this product. In your second unit, just moment, I will show you the syllabus of your third year, fifth semester. See the second unit containing khawa, definition, composition, and types. It comes and it includes the definition, composition, and also types, manufacturing, packages, or packaging and storage, khawa base. अच्छा, मला इथं कोणातरी मेसेज आला की आवाज येत नाही सर. माझं म्हणणं आहे की तुम्ही आयफोन असं दिलेलं नाव. So you can start your mic or unmute your mic. तुम्हाला आवाज ऐकायला येईल.
Yes sir, yes sir.
थोडंसं नेटवर्कचाही प्रॉब्लेम असते कधी कधी. होऊ शकते माझ्याकडच्या नेटचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल, कधी तुमच्या नेटचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल, त्याच्यामुळे मध्ये मध्ये फ्लक्च्युएशन येते. पण तुम्हाला थोडं लक्ष ठेवावं लागेल. तर या युनिटमध्ये खवा, डेफिनेशन, कंपोजिशन, टाइप्स, मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग, पॅकेजिंग अँड स्टोरेज, त्याचे डिफेक्ट्स, इव्हन डिफेक्ट सुद्धा त्याच्यामध्ये कव्हर झालेले आहेत. त्याच्यापासून बनणारे खवा बेस्ड स्वीट्स, पेढा आणि गुलाबजामुन हे दोनच प्रोडक्ट घेतलेले आहेत, है ना. त्याच्यामुळे तुमचा इथे मी डिस्क्रिप्शन मध्ये काही दाखवलं नाही. जर समजा याला प्रिव्ह्यू जर बघितला आणि याला जर मी क्लिक केलं तर तुम्हाला गुलाबजामुन रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन मिळून जाईल. पण दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन इज नॉट नेसेसरी टुडे because it is after in a second unit you already studied. This is the general information regarding the gulab jamun, and everyone knows how to prepare the gulab jamun, but I will cover in the second unit. Next slide containing separated dairy products. जर समजा so now see the fourth type of the category of milk. It's separated dairy products, and milk is when the milk is taken for separation of cream, simultaneously it separates the skim milk. लक्षात आलं का आता separated dairy products. So I can click skim milk. You get the information regarding the skim milk. So skim milk means fully fatless milk. जे त्याच्यामध्ये जरी 0.5 फॅट असेल तरी ते निग्लिजिबल आहे, ते काउंट होत नाही. आणि इट इज यूज्ड फॉर द युटिलायझेशन ऑफ अदर डेअरी बाय प्रोडक्ट्स. सो सी द skim milk in India. Skim milk is mostly utilized either for standardization purpose. फक्त स्टँडर्डायझेशन करण्यासाठी वापरतात, हाय फॅट वरून लो फॅटचे मिल्क बनवण्यासाठी. फॉर एक्झाम्पल 6% फॅट is reduced up to 3.0% fat, and that time skim milk is required for the addition. Water is also used sometimes, but जर पाणी टाकलं तर काय होईल, त्याचे कन्स्टिट्युएंट पण कमी होऊन जातील त्या दुधातले, म्हणून स्किम मिल्क जनरली यूज करतात. So the skim milk is most utilized either the standardization purpose or preserved in spray dried form. It is also used for making skim milk powder. ड्राईड फॉर्म मध्ये करतात. त्या ड्राईड फॉर्मचं जे पावडर तयार होईल त्याला म्हणतात स्किम मिल्क पावडर. जर समजा ॲज सच बफेलो मिल्क जर आपण वापरलं ड्राईड फॉर्म मध्ये तर त्याला म्हणायचं WMP, होल मिल्क पावडर, आणि याला म्हणायचं SMP, स्किम मिल्क पावडर. ओनली अ व्हेरी स्मॉल क्वांटिटी ऑफ स्किम मिल्क, most of substandard quality, काही रेप्युटेड कंपनी सोडून जर असं बघितलं तर स्किम मिल्कची क्वालिटी थोडीशी सबस्टँडर्ड असते, लो क्वालिटी असते. देअरफॉर इट विल बी नॉट प्रिफर इन द मार्केट. अडल्ट्रेशन वगैरे साठी वापरतात ते. सो इट हॅज टू बी यूज ॲज अ बाय प्रोडक्ट. कुठले बाय प्रोडक्ट यूज करतात? केसिन. केसिन इज द मोस्ट पॉप्युलर अँड व्हेरी इफेक्टिव्ह बाय प्रोडक्ट्स विच इज प्रिपेअर्ड फ्रॉम दी स्किम मिल्क. त्याचे डिस्क्रिप्शन दिलेलं आहे डिटेल, पण ते तुम्हाला डेअरी बाय प्रोडक्टचा चॅप्टर नसल्यामुळे याच्यामध्ये डिटेल सांगत नाही. Okay, now see the cream. Only you have to know the cream definition and their composition. So last PPT contain, or next slide contain fermented dairy products, and these are the fermented dairy products. So anybody tell me what is mean by fermentation, or everyone should know about this product, these dahi, chakka and Srikhand. I hope these two products are very well known, dahi and Srikhand. So chakka is the base product of Srikhand. So dahi, actually whenever you get the milk, or whenever you taken the milk for the preparation of dahi, suppose you take the 1 liter of milk and you get the dahi by coagulation or addition of culture, previous day culture, and you get the dahi. Then this the type of product is hang out overnight. After hang out, you get the, when the chakka is obtained, you can add the ground sugar for the preparation of Srikhand. The addition of sugar, the rate of addition of sugar is 80%, which is depend on the sourness of the chakka. It may be fluctuate either 70% or 65% or 55%, which is depend on the sourness of chakka, and directly you get the Srikhand. Fermentation means what? Fermentation means the product which is obtained by adding the some helpful starter culture, helpful bacteria. Whenever the milk is taken, you add the previous day culture. दही बनवण्यासाठी काय नेम ऑफ बॅक्टेरिया आर लॅक्टोबॅसिलस बल्गॅरिकस अँड स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस थर्मोफिलस. ते बॅक्टेरिया आपल्याला दह्यामध्ये दिसून येतात. So now see the I hope you understand these products, channa, chakka, dahi and Srikhand. The method of preparation of chakka, Srikhand and dahi is covered in your syllabus. See the syllabus, unit 2nd, study of fermented dairy products, curd, chakka and Srikhand. That's why I am not telling much more information in this PPT. And thanks for you are today also join at right time. So anybody wants to, now I can stop my sharing of screen and back to the our original form. So if you want to ask anything, you can please. जर तुम्हाला ऍडमिशन रिलेटेड इन्फॉर्मेशन विचारायची असेल है ना,